Hey you guys, welcome. Today I'm gonna do my hair like the video I posted yesterday, and I'm just gonna do it on myself and show you guys how I do it. So first I comb my hair out and I add a little bit of water to it. I just washed it, but when I don't put product on it right away, it does get dry looking and frizzy, so I always add a little bit of water. And I'm gonna do one side at a time. I'm thinking about maybe doing, I'm gonna do, let's do this side first. No, let's do this side first. And I'll do the same thing on the other side. So I know my hair is curly already, but I like the way these curls look. They look a little softer and more spiraled. So after I add water to it, what I do is I grab a little bit of this Fixer from Aveda. This is pretty much a liquid gel. And let me focus so you guys can see. So I think that's good enough. So I'm gonna give it a nice little comb through one more time. Okay, so that's that. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab a piece of hair. Okay, so what I do is I leave, like I press these down, like the hair, I make sure that they're kind of go down like this, because when you grab the hair, it makes it a little bit easier to grab. So smooth it out. So I split this in two, and then I know it's really hard to see with my darker hair, but you just kind of twist it once and you twist it twice. Okay, once you twisted it, you grab a little piece of hair here and you cross it over like this. Oh, I burned myself, so don't let that distract you. Okay, there. And then now you have this piece, and then you put this piece up like this, and you grab a little piece of hair and you put it up like that. And then you just keep doing that, you know, alternate. That's what it looks like. And you just continue. So when I grab it, I just grab it from down here. But as I'm grabbing it from down here, I am taking hair from up here because I combed it down, remember? So we just keep doing that. So now we've got the hair there, now we twist it. Okay, so once again here, if I continue to twist this, it's going to unwind. So what I do from here on down, I usually braid it. Sorry, you guys can't really see it, but you just start braiding. When I get to the ends, I like to comb it just a little bit because it starts getting a little naughty. Okay, now it's done. Put an elastic on it, do the other side. So once they're both done, you just cross them and pin up here. This is a blow dryer. A blow dryer cap. A blow drying cap. Put it on like that. Pull on this string like that. Like a helmet. And then you grab this side. And you tighten it. Turn it on. Yeah, so I'm gonna let this dry for about 20 minutes, and I'll come back in 20 minutes. Bye. So I took the cap off already. I underestimated it. I said 20 minutes, but I was under medium heat for 40 minutes, and now I'm gonna let my hair cool down for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'll be back. So it's been 10 minutes. Now we're gonna take it down and see what we have. Yes, let's do it. I tried doing my little baby hairs right here. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but we'll shall see. Start from the bottom, and I just unroll it like this. Okay, so that's that side. And now we do this side. I normally would sleep with this, but I'm impatient today, so I'm just gonna take them out. Okay, uncombed. So now I'm just gonna working on the base, just kind of give it a little bit of volume. Over here. Just working like the base of the hair, the roots, and part it wherever you want, and you're done. This is what they look like. I think they will look better if I would have left them on longer, to be honest with you, but this is good enough. So yeah, very easy to do. It's very simple, and this will last you maybe a couple of days depending on what product you use and how you sleep on it too. I usually wear like a little bonnet, kind of mess around with this, see however you like it, but that's pretty much it. So that is it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I'm gonna try to make as many videos as I possibly can during this quarantine. I've actually been having a lot of fun refocusing and analyzing my life, I guess, and then really just trying to get my my life, my shit together and organized for sure. So if you like this tutorial, make sure you hit the like button. It really does help, and consider subscribing so you can check out some more of my videos and upcoming videos as well. Bye.